Okay, sanibonani. Ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela muntu omnyama. Amabhunu ima. Isolokishini la siyazakhela amabhola. Bona la plastic lazi. Bachita angahle mfethu ngahle. So amabhunu nabelungu had a problem. And if FIFA World Cup was the only solution, ngonyaka 2010 sasingeve sijabulile. I mean, everyone in the country wayazi ukuthi okay, we have been chosen ukuhosta the 2010 FIFA World Cup. Honestly, as a country sasijabulile because sasitshethe okay yazini soba rich ke manje because all roads lead to South Africa. Bonke beza kuthina, all eyes are on us. Ama small businesses babe busy be order stock ngoba bebazi ukuthi hayibo kuza ama foreigner, kuza ama tourist phela la, ama dollar, ama euro, ama yen ezala wonke. I mean, ama BEE, ama tender ayivuka. Kwakumnandi. Little did they know ukuthi le FIFA World Cup is will destroy South Africa. Mina waka mina kwakumnandi ngisakhumbula nanokuthi babembiza ngoba kodwa ngiyakhumbula wafika esikoleni kwakumnandi. It's for Africa. Little did they know abantu abamnyama ukuthi by the time kushawa 2011 iSouth Africa izobe broke, izobe in debt, sizobe sikweleta amazwe anjenge China, iEurope neAmerica. Ngenxa yokuthi asikwazi ngisho nanokukhokha back le mali ngoba siyahlupheka, badimenda ukuthi sibakhokhele ukuthi sibanike ama resources ethu mahala. That means ukuthi icoal babeyithatha kuthina mahala. Ngo-2010 uhulumeni wase-South Africa wakhipha imali engango-33 billion rands wayi-allocate ekutheni ukuthi izosiza ukuthi kwakhiwe ama-stadium, ukuthi athuthukiswe amanye ama-stadium arenovatwe. But yonke leyo mali ayifikanga ekutheni ukuthi ithuthukise ama-stadium, ekutheni ukuthi ivule amathuba omsebenzi for abantu abamnyama. Kunalokho a huge portion of leyo mali ya-end up kumaphakethe awama-politicians amaningi. I-corruption yanda kakhulu. Niyayikhumbula indaba ye-Soccer City? I-Soccer City was initially supposed to cost u-2.4 billion ukuthi nje isethwe ibe yinhle for ama-tourist ethu ayezofika eze-South Africa. But kwa-end up sekukhishwa imali engango-4.5 billion. Mase uyayibuza ukuthi okay fine, lama contracts amaningi aphuma, lama tender amaningi aphuma ukuthi kulungiswe izinto. Why ama invoice